Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with essentials. Confirm the camera model and whether you'll use PoE or a 12V DC adapter. Connect the camera to the network with an Ethernet cable. If using PoE, plug into a PoE switch or NVR. Power up the camera and wait for status LEDs. Once powered, open SAP on your PC or Hikconnect on your phone to locate the device on the same subnet. This first step ensures the device is reachable, so you can assign an IP and continue configuration. Now you'll configure networking and access. In SAP, select the device, change the IP to a static address matching your LAN, and set gateway and DNS to your router. Create a strong admin password and confirm it. This secures the camera. Next, log into the web interface or NVR, go to video settings and choose resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Higher quality needs more bandwidth. Once done, enable RTSP or Hikconnect Cloud Access if you want remote viewing without port forwarding. Finish by adding the camera to your NVR using OnVIF or the camera's serial/QR in Hikconnect for cloud access. Verify live view, schedule recordings, and trigger a motion event to confirm alerts. Make sure firmware is up to date to avoid bugs. If the camera cannot be found or shows no video, check for IP conflicts, ensure Ethernet link lights and PoE power, and reboot both camera and switch. If problems persist, reset the device and rerun the SAP discovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.